Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today, let's talk about a very important concept in HVAC. Inches of water column, or inch WC for short. What is it? It's the amount of force needed to raise a column of water by 1 inch in a water manometer. This unit is used to measure low pressures, usually less than 1 psi. Did you know? On SIO 2771 inches of water column, where is it used? Measuring static pressure in duct systems. Checking airflow in systems using a pitot tube. A pitot tube measures velocity pressure, PV, in inches of water column and is often used with a manometer or differential pressure gauge. Why does this matter? Knowing your static and velocity pressures helps ensure that your system is running efficiently and air is moving the way it should. Keep learning these core concepts. They'll show up on your Manual J, duct design, and troubleshooting exams. Grab our book on Amazon, subscribe to this channel. Visit MarylandHVACRepair.com.